Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to hear about an amazing game that you will be able to not just earn income by playing with it, but you will be able to make passive income as well. So make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so before we get into different ways that you will be able to make income from it, whether it's passive and active income, we'll get into first of all how you can actually enjoy the process of earning and actually earning by playing. So the idea of Cyber City, and by the way you can get to Cyber City by clicking the link down below, is that it's a very detailed game with a lot of characters and a lot of different features, and if you want you can get to this website and you will be able to learn about it. But the main idea is that you can actually play to earn in the game tokens and assets and NFT characters, and in the end you will be able to actually transact and actually transfer this tokens that you earn in this game to a real token that you can actually use it on PancakeSwap and actually turn it to your own money. Now the main focus is that in this game you will see that they have very detailed characters, as you can see in here, and each character has a story, has different features. It reminds me a little bit like action figures, but even more powerful because it's very detailed. So because it's very detailed, and you can see that in this game you can actually farm, you can forge, you can fight, you can participate, and you can develop. So it means that you have different ways that you can create different clans, and you can actually collect characters. The idea in this game is that you will have a roadmap that you will be able to grow and to go through the process, and actually if you will be one of the first you will be able to earn the most. So in October 2021, so the NFT boxes was actually dropped, and actually the boxes can be opened in November 2021. NFT boxes that the owners will be able to unpack. They will receive characters, they will receive weapons, companions, city blocks, and stuff like that, and resources. And actually you will be able to play with other players, okay? You will be able to race, you will be able to stake the things that you have, the tokens and stuff like that, and actually earn some money. And actually in April 2022 the launch of the game will be. So stay tuned in their social medias so you will be able to get notified every time there is something new, because they're also doing a lot of airdrops. So who doesn't like free things? Now in order to get started, it's very easy. You just need to click on play to earn, and then you will be able to get started. You can click on learn more, and then you will be able to get into the game, and you can also purchase one of their NFTs by clicking the link down below and actually get a box. And they have different NFTs that you can actually purchase. So if you want to buy actually one of their NFTs, all you need is to actually get to this site by clicking the link down below and actually choose one of them. Now you have three main boxes that you can actually purchase. One is the small, one is the medium, and the second one is the giga. Now as you can see, of course that in each size you get different things. So for example, in the small box you actually get a character, okay, and when that game will get started, so you will be able to start playing with it. Now as you can see that they have a very active Twitter as well, more than 21,000 followers, and if you have any questions you can actually ask them, and also follow them to get notified in general about different updates that they have, in order to actually maximize the ability of you to earn from their project as much as possible by actually playing. Now if you want to know more, so you need to click on learn more, and then you will get to this page. The main idea in this page is that it explains you how the process works, different clan drops schedule. So as you can see, there are some clans that you cannot join anymore, but there are some that you can. Now if you want to get more details, you can click in here and actually see an article in Medium that explains really in deep and small details almost every aspect in this project, and actually how you can get started and actually maximize the profits by playing in this game and take part in the launch. Now the thing that I love the most in this project is that you can actually make income also from playing with other players, also by having a land, because in this game you actually can have a land, and from this land to evolve and to actually make more and more. Now the idea that you will be able to make money, so it's not only from playing games with other players, which is also amazing, but you will be able to actually stacking the game token as well, and actually earn also from playing, from the activity in the game, also from staking, and also from developing your land, and that way you will be able to play even more. And the more people that you will win, of course, that you will make more money. So here how it's going to go. So as you can see, you will have, by staking Cyber, you will get NFT rewards, characters, land, gear. You will get Cyber rewards for ALM stakers. And also the amazing thing is that after you will get into getting the game and you will stake, so you will have some Cyber, so you will be able to go to the exchange, PancakeSwap, actually turn it to BNB and actually use it to have your own money. And actually, if you want to turn one of them in the end for dollars or euros or whatever, you can do that easily. Okay, all you need is to actually get started. I'm going to show you right now how you can actually get started by clicking the link down below, and then you will be able to purchase your NFT boxes. As you can see in here, you have three main options that in each one of them you will have character or sometimes several characters, you will have weapons, you will have things that will help you in the game to actually get started, whether it's to create your land, the tools and the weapons to get started and to play, and much more. So I'm going to show you just for the example how you can actually purchase. So let's take for example the small box. So you need just to click on it after you chose a specific NFT that you want, the NFT box. You click on buy now, and actually you choose the number of copies that you want. You see that the price is 0.9 BNB, but you will have also services commission of 2.5%, which is absolutely normal. And actually, after you click on terms of services, you open it, you read the terms of services, and you will see that it's not that long. I think that it's very important, especially if you want to get into it for the long term. And after you read it and you said that you agree, you click on buy. After you click on buy and you connect your MetaMask, as you can see in here, okay, and you open it. Okay, so you click on confirm right here. After you clicked on confirm, so you're actually waiting until it will work. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. All right, so as you can see in here that I have the confirmation transaction right here. So if I will click it, I will have all the details of the transactions. That is very recommended to at least copy it and to have a copy of your own, because even though it's going to be documented in the blockchain, I think personally that as much copies as you have of transactions that you have, the better. Okay, and also you can actually see in here that there was a purchase in here. This is the purchase that I made in here, as you can see, of a small box. Okay, so for summary, if you want to get started with this game and actually have the possibility to earn passive income and active income from literally just playing and also stacking your tokens, I would totally recommend you to go to this website, to cybercity.game, by clicking the link down below and actually get started. Because I think that one of the amazing things in this project is that because it's very detailed and has a lot of features, different characters, that each character has a lot of details and story. So I see that this is a game that can be for the long term, because people can evolve and go through different stages, like they're going through evolvement and a lifetime in here in a digital world. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.